Hello, this is Jim, and I'm here to show you how to add a Blackboard Tool Link menu button. The first step, we must make sure that our edit mode is on. Next, let's point to the Add Menu Item button at the top left of your screen. Select the Create Tool Link option. Type the name of the Tool Link menu button in the name text box. Next, use the Type drop-down menu to select the Blackboard Tool Link button. Check the Available to Users box to make the tool menu item available to users. To make the tool menu item unavailable, leave the Available to Users unchecked. Then click the Submit button.